channel. Today's video is all about how to style with black dresses. আমরা যদি কাউকে জিজ্ঞেস করে থাকি যে which one is your favorite color, maximum people answer এটাই হয় যে black. So that's why আমি ভাবলাম যে কেন না black dress নিয়ে হচ্ছে styling করা যায়, helpful হবে and elegant হবে. So if you guys like this video, then please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's jump to the video.
Hey, I think about it every day. Baby looking like Hana Kazana on a play. Hey, like mithai, like kulfi, rasmalai. Hey, pista barfi, sardiyan vich garmi lagdi. Jad vi tu mere raah vicho chaldi. Bonafide stallion, ain't in no stable, no you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50 love the way you split it. 100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. Like jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Come on, wait, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Come on, wait, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. Come on, wait, standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. If you love the way you split it, 100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. Jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Hey, baby, let me see it. I just wanna eat it.
I hope তোমাদের সবার আমার ভিডিওটা খুব বেশি ভালো লেগেছে। যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে then আমার চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, লাইক, কমেন্ট and share. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.